So data integrity is the degree to which data are complete. First things first, there should be no incomplete data. Data is complete, consistent. That is the same across all the CRFs or all the data points, and likewise accurate. Means up to mark, trustworthy, that's reliable, because this is the data which is going to go for approvals, not your drug. Based on the drug, or based on the medical device, we are conducting clinical trials for which we collect data, which is going to be managed by the data management team. And this data goes further for submissions based on which either the drug gets approved or it has to be taken more rounds of approval based on the feedback that's given to the organization or to the sponsor. That's where data integrity is going to play a vital role.
Let's get going further into the principles that are used in data integrity. Now it is ALCOA and CEA, which are the principles that will be used for maintaining data integrity. So, what is ALCOA and what is CEA? ALCOA is an acronym representing the following data integrity elements. So, the principles used for maintaining data integrity are ALCOA and CEA, and the elements are attributable by A, attributable, L by legible, by C we mean contemporaneous, by O we mean original, A as in accurate, that's for ALCOA, ALCOA, and the CEA, that is complete, consistent, enduring, and available.